Hello, and welcome to episode 15 of No Code Nerd. So, took me a little while. I'm actually really excited about this series. I'm having a lot of fun with it, so I hope you're enjoying it too. You can click the little hashtag NoCodeNerd to follow it if you're on LinkedIn. But, cool, yeah, so today we're talking about Bubble. Bubble is probably the most powerful no-code tool for building applications on the internet, though it is quite hard to use. Let me show you what it kind of looks like. This is Bubble. Bubble is amazing. It's like free to use for the most part, just to kind of test and experiment with. It's great. As you can kind of see here, they're rebuilding a version of Uber really like quickly and simply. It does scale kind of with code logic, right? So while you're not going to need to program anything, and you could program stuff, you could add on your own code and your own kind of custom code if you want to. Bubble's really, really good at that. But if you're building a desktop app or a mobile app or a web app or anything like that, that's highly data oriented and uses code logic, as you can see, like if this happens, then this happens. There's a lot of if, then, when kind of statements. That's where the logic kind of comes from. It's built on that. If you've coded before, even a little bit, this kind of gives you a really amazing structure to work with. So I always say that it's the no-code tool built for coders, right? And it also is very, very hard to learn. They have an academy section over here. Highly recommend checking it out if you really want to learn how this kind of thing functions. It's going to take some time. It's probably going to take like a month of effort to really get good at Bubble. That said, it'll get you that extra 5% further than a lot of other no-code platforms won't get you to. So if you need something super advanced and you want to build a really, really crazy, awesome app, I highly recommend Bubble. The link should be, you'll find them. Cool. See you on the next episode.